town of Piran. It's a seaside town, only an hour and 25 minutes away from Ljubljana. If you plan to come down here, it's a beautiful seaside little town. So if you come down to Piran, that's the main square, and it's as I said, it's a seaside little town, a fishing town. Just come and chill out, walk around the place. Famous for seafood, and you know, beautiful architecture, the local architecture. So if you do come down to Ljubljana, it's worth checking out Piran as well. And that's the coastline here. People enjoying the sunshine. It's around 25 degrees Celsius, so it's a bit warm. We were just here for a couple of hours because we had gone to the cave castle this afternoon and to the caves, so we decided to come down here. We have hired a car, so we might as well make the most of it. What we're finding is Slovenia obviously is not a very big country. You can drive to places quite easily, so we rent a car, probably be quite handy. For vegetarians, I suppose the struggle is that you're not going to find a lot of options, so you basically, you know, vegetarian pizzas or pastas or fruits. That's the free bus service which takes you to the famous Piran walls. Obviously it brings them down here. It's a bit of an uphill walk, so you're better off taking this free bus. Italian feel to it.
yeah, here. Here's the tower here.
Yeah. Oh wow, gosh, look at this.